Hello my dear students, welcome back to the St. Joseph Composite PU College, Vijaypur. I am Rahul, chemistry faculty, and in this video I am going to explain you that how do acids and bases react with each other. This is most important concept. Let's understand this. To make you understand this, I need a test tube, and by that we can understand this. Let me have a test tube here. So this is the test tube or some kind of container we have. So let me draw a test tube over here. This is a test tube. And in this test tube, I'm going to add or fill, you can say that a small amount of base. So the base, most of the time, we use here the base. It's a base. Let me take, here is a base we have. Container is filled with a base. Okay. Now, what I will do that to this container, let me write first what it is. This is a sodium hydroxide, NaOH, sodium hydroxide. And the color of the sodium hydroxide here, colorless. It is colorless. Okay. Now, if you add a phenolphthalein, a few drops of phenolphthalein, at least 2 drops. The 2 drops you adding here, a phenolphthalein. The phenolphthalein is added here. Let me write here, phenolphthalein. Okay, phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein is added. As soon as you add the phenolphthalein, the color of this NaOH solutions become a pink color. You can see that the color is changed. The color is converted into pink color. Okay, the pink color is appeared. Okay, this is due to only one reason, that phenolphthalein is actually colorless. The phenolphthalein, whatever the solution is there, it is a colorless. It is a colorless liquid. Colorless liquid. But it becomes colored only when there is a sodium hydroxide or base is present. Means the phenolphthalein is colored only in the basic medium. Let me write that point. The phenolphthalein shows color in basic medium. Okay. This technique is also used for the identification of unknown solution. For example, if I provide you a container, in that some solution is there, some kind of substance is there, if you add the phenolphthalein to that, if color it changes to pink color, assume that that should be a base. Now what I will do that, to this I am going to add here a small amount of acid I am going to add here. The acid I am going to add. So in this I am going to add acid. As soon as I add acid to the container, the overall, you can say that whatever the color, pink color is there, it get disappeared. The pink color get disappear here. You can see that the pink color going to be a faint. The color of the solution becomes faint. And as you go on adding the color, so here the color get disappeared. Here. So just I want to disappear this. Okay, the color disappears here. But there is a solution is there, but only the color is not there. Okay, the color is disappear. So when it happened, so let me write this point. On adding acid, color get disappeared. Or color get vanished. It is vanished. Instead of calling here disappeared, it is just vanished. It removed off. Now again, to the same container, if I add a few drops of NaOH, again you will surprise that the pink color reappears. Okay, pink color is reappears. It means that, so reappearance of the color is, let me write, reappearance of color is due to presence of base. Let's understand this entire scenario in the form of chemical equation. Initially I have NaOH. So this sodium hydroxide is reacting or interacting with the phenolphthalein plus phenolphthalein. phenolphthalein, and the color of the solution here converted into pink color. Pink color. Okay, this color is get changed to a pink color. But when you add in HCl, take an acid, when you add HCl to this, so NaOH and HCl react with each other and forming here NaCl plus H2O. So when complete NaOH is react with the HCl, in the reaction mixture there is only presence of NaOH, in the container there is only NaOH and HCl is present. They react with each other and forming here NaCl and water. And therefore after the reaction inside the container we have only NaCl is there and along with that H2O is there, but there is no NaOH. So therefore no pink color. Hope you understood this. Why there is no pink color? Because there is no NaOH. Because no NaOH. Okay, sodium hydroxide is not there because phenolphthalein will give a color only in the presence of NaOH. But when in the second time when you add the some amount of NaOH in this solution, again the NaOH is get appeared, means NaOH is present, and because of that the pink color reappears. So this is a fact, students. The only thing is that we can conclude from these all experiments that whenever a base react with acid, the base properties do not get nullified by acid. That is formed here salt, and along with the water is formed. Okay, salt and water is formed. So therefore such reactions are called as neutralization reaction. Always remember, in the neutralization process the heat is produced during the reaction. Hope you understood this, students. Thank you for watching this video, students.